What if your alarm clock could wake you up with animations, not just sound? Today, I'm using the Pixel Time Animation Alarm, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for a smarter wake-up experience. This unique device combines a digital clock with fun pixel-style animations that bring your desk to life. It not only wakes you up on time, but also adds personality to your space. With customizable displays, clear time visibility, and easy controls, it's perfect for bedrooms, offices, or creative setups. Its compact and modern design fits anywhere effortlessly. If you want a stylish and interactive way to start your day, Pixel Time Animation Alarm is a must-have gadget.
What if a tiny cube could transform into a powerful cutting tool? Today, I'm using the cubic knife, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets built for smart everyday use. This compact tool transforms from a sleek cube into a sharp, reliable knife in seconds. Perfect for opening packages, cutting materials, or handling quick tasks, it delivers precision and control whenever you need it. Its portable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bag, while the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Simple, efficient, and incredibly practical, the cubic knife is designed for convenience. If you love clever tools, this gadget is definitely worth adding to your collection.
What if your charging cable could snap into place instantly, like magic? Today I'm using the MagLinks, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets designed for effortless charging. This smart magnetic cable connects instantly with a secure snap, saving you time and eliminating cable damage. Whether you're charging your phone, tablet, or other devices, MagLinks delivers fast, reliable power every time. Its durable build and sleek design make it perfect for daily use, at home, in the office, or on the go. No more struggling with ports or worn-out cables, just smooth, hassle-free charging. If you want convenience and efficiency in one device, MagLinks is a must-have gadget. What if one gadget could upgrade your entire computer experience instantly? Today, I'm using Comachure, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets designed to boost your productivity and performance. This smart device enhances your setup with seamless functionality, making everyday tasks faster and more efficient. Whether you're working, gaming, or creating content, Comachure delivers smooth and reliable results. Its compact design fits perfectly into any workspace, while its powerful features give you full control and convenience. No more slowdowns or complicated setups, just plug in and elevate your experience instantly. If you want a smarter, faster, and more efficient workflow, Comachure is definitely a must-have gadget. What if you could turn any wall into a cinematic experience anywhere? Today, I'm using the Circ Projector, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for portable entertainment. This compact yet powerful projector delivers stunning visuals with sharp clarity, transforming any space into your personal theater. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or presenting, it provides a smooth and immersive experience. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry, while quick setup ensures you're ready in seconds. Perfect for home, travel, or outdoor nights, the Circ Projector combines convenience with performance. If you want big screen entertainment anytime, anywhere, this gadget is definitely a must-have. What if one gadget could level up your sound experience instantly? Today, I'm using the Zone HSS1, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for immersive audio. This powerful device delivers crystal-clear sound with deep bass, making every moment feel more alive. Whether you're gaming, working, or enjoying music, it provides a smooth and high-quality audio experience. Its comfortable design allows long usage without fatigue, while advanced features ensure reliable performance every time. Easy to set up and built for convenience, it fits perfectly into your daily routine. If you want premium sound and comfort in one device, Zone HSS1 is definitely a must-have gadget. What if one charger could end cable mess forever? Today, I'm using a retractable charger, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets for clean and hassle-free charging. This smart cable extends smoothly when you need it and retracts instantly to stay tangle-free. It's compact, portable, and perfect for travel, your desk, or even your car. With fast charging support and durable build quality, it keeps your devices powered without the usual cable clutter. No more messy wires or wasted time untangling cords. Just pull, charge, and retract. If you want convenience and style in one gadget, this is a must-have for everyday use.
What if your lighter could flip open and ignite like a futuristic gadget? Today, I'm using the Sparker Flip Lighter, one of the coolest Amazon gadgets designed for style and performance. This sleek device features a unique flip-open design that feels satisfying and premium every time you use it. It delivers a powerful, wind-resistant flame, making it reliable in any situation, indoors or outdoors. Built with durable materials and a rechargeable system, it's both eco-friendly and long-lasting. Compact and easy to carry, it fits perfectly in your pocket. If you want a lighter that looks cool and works flawlessly, Sparker Flip Lighter is definitely a must-have.